Behold the mysteries of the cosmos. As we stand on our little blue planet gazing at the stars, we can't help but wonder, what's the fate of the universe? There are three popular theories: the Big Crunch, the Big Freeze, and the Big Rip. Picture the Big Crunch, where gravity wins over dark energy, pulling everything back into a singular point. Imagine a cosmic rewind. Then, there's the Big Freeze. Here, dark energy triumphs, pushing galaxies away. Stars burn out. The universe ends not with a bang but a whimper. Lastly, the Big Rip. Dark energy grows stronger, tearing galaxies, stars, even atoms apart. Which will it be? Crunch, freeze, or rip? The universe keeps its secrets well. Remember, as we gaze at the cosmos gazes back. Intriguing, isn't it?